Now we discuss bar diagram. I think, my dear students, please ensure you have Vidyadarshini CSET paper book is in your hand. Open page number F7 in data interpretation. Now we are discussing bar diagram. Bar diagram. Here you observe illustrations 10 to 13. Illustration 10 to 13 questions in F7. Observe this diagram. This is a bar diagram. Here has given production of rose in various states. These are the names of states: Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, UP, other states he has given. And also here he has given 5,000, the production 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000 represented. The production of Gujarat is 15,000 and Haryana is 12,500, Karnataka 12,450. Like that he represented. Read first question. Which of the following states contribute less than 10% in the total rose production? Which of the following states contribute less than 10% in the total rose production? He is asking less than 10%. First question, he is asking less than 10%. Less than 10% he is asking. So first we observe total how much. Total, here we observe total. So 15,000 add all the production, 15,000, 12,500, 12,450, like that up to 25,000. This is the total production. Here the total production is 14,200. Observe here 1,42,250 total production, 1,42,215. He is asking which of the following state contribute less than 10%? Which of the following contributes less than 10%? Here the question number from 10 to, he has given from 10 to 13. In this page 10 to 13. Now we are discussing 10th question. So here total production 1,42,250. He is asking 10%. 10% value, put a point after one digit from right. That means 10% value 14,225. Here 10% value 14,225. Now he is asking for how many states less than 10%. So the value less than 14,225 we should take. Observe this is 15,000 greater than 14,225. No need to take. This is 12,500 less than 14,225. So one is Haryana. One is Haryana. Next one Karnataka. This is also less than 14,225. Next state Karnataka. Next, this is 20,000 greater than 14,000. This is 12,400 less than 14,225. So we take Rajasthan. Next, Tamil Nadu greater than 14,000. This is also greater than 14,000. This is also greater than 14,000. So only 3 states are there. These are 10% less. So Haryana, Karnataka, Rajasthan is the answer. Next, illustration 11. Read next question. Eleventh question. What is the approximate average production of roses across all the states? what is the approximate average production of roses across all the states? He is asking average. Average equal sum of items by number of items. Average formula, sum of items by number of items. Here we have, for first question we have already added 15,000 plus 12,500, 12,450. The total value how much? 14,225. We have already added in 10th question. The total value is 14,225. Number of items here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 items are there. Average sum of items by number of items 14,225 by 8. I think here average value we will get nearly 18,000. Nearly 18,000. Next question. Please observe. I think this is the average is the for 12th question. I forgot 11th question. Now only we discuss 11th question. Please observe here. This is the 12th question. Now we discuss 11th question. Read 11th question. By what percent rose production of other states is more than that of the Maharashtra? By what percent rose production of other state is more than that of Maharashtra? Other states. Observe here. Other states is 25,000. Maharashtra. Other states is 25,000 and the Maharashtra how much he has given? 20,000. Maharashtra is 20,000 and other states is 25,000. Now he is asking by what percent rose production of other states is more than that of Maharashtra. So here rose production of other states is how much percent greater than Maharashtra? So 25,000 minus 20,000 by 20,000 into 100. Here 25,000 minus 20,000, 5,000 by 20,000 into 100. 000 cancel. 5 4 ja 20, 4 25 ja. So here this value is 25%. Observe here. In 11th question, other states is how much percent is greater than Maharashtra. Here the difference is 5,000 by initially Maharashtra 20,000, 5,000 by 20,000 into 100. That value is 25%. Next question. We have already discussed the 11th, 12th, 10th. Now 13th question. Read 13th question. Approximate what percent of the total rose production is shared by the other states? Approximately what percent of total rose production is shared by the other states? Now he is asking the other states is how much percent in total production? Other states is how much percent in total production? Other states 25,000. Other states by total rose production. Now he is asking other state. If you want to find percentage value, here into 100. Other states 25,000. Total production we have already found in first question. Total production 1,42,250. 1,42,250 into to find percentage into 100. So here 2500 by 14225 into 100. Here we can solve in 25 table. Here we can solve it in 25 table. I think we will get nearly 18%. Here he has given the options 10, 20, 30, 40. Here he has given the options 10, 20, 30, 40. The nearest value for 18 is 20. So we should take 20%. Here we used just averages and percentages only, and also sum of the all the production here we added. Okay, we completed this diagram.